Everyone's obsessed with having more AI tools right now. There's a new one dropping almost every day, and somewhere in between trying all of them, most creators end up building this fragile little stack. 5 different platforms, 5 different logins, 5 different workflows just to produce one piece of content. One tool for the script, another for the visuals, something else for video. And by the time everything's done, half the day is gone. That's not efficiency. That's just organized chaos. The creators who are actually winning in this phase aren't the ones with the most tools. They are the ones who've collapsed their workflow down to the fewest possible steps. Because every handoff between platforms is friction. And friction is what kills consistency. And consistency is the only things the algorithm actually rewards. That's the lens I bring when I taste something new now. My name is Sahil Sahaji. I run Smart Vabna, over 200,000 subscribers. And I've been in video editing and content systems for years. I don't get excited about AI tools the way I used to. Most of them solve one small problem, add a new monthly cost, and quietly disappear from your workflow 6 weeks later. But something about Maxfusion made me stop, not because of the marketing, because of what it's actually trying to solve. Here's the specific problem Maxfusion is built around. If you're running a brand, an agency, or a content business that depends on video ads, you know how slow and expensive that process is. You need actors, you need shoots, you need someone to deliver a script convincingly, and you need it done again and again and again at scale. Maxfusion removes all of that. It's an AI-powered UGC video platform. You pick an AI actor, they've got over 300 of them across different demographics, styles, ages. You enter your script, you tag the emotions you want the actor to express at specific moments, and it generates a realistic video of that actor delivering your ad. Product in hand, proper lip sync, real body language, emotion-driven performance. That last part is the interesting one. Most AI avatar tools feel flat. You can tell it's generated. There's something slightly off about the delivery. Maxfusion built something they call their 𝐘𝐸 model. It's specifically designed to add natural emotional expression to the avatar's performance. And when you combine that with ElevenLabs voice integration, where you can control tone and accent, the output is genuinely hard to distinguish from real UGC content. I tested it the way I test everything, not to play around but to understand the system. And what started to click is that this isn't just about production speed, although that's real. It's about creative testing at a scale that wasn't possible before. Because with traditional UGC, you shoot one version, maybe 2 if you have budget. With something like these, you can generate 20 ad variations in the same session. Different angles, different emotional tones, different scripts. You find out what converts. You double down on what works. That's not a shortcut, that's leverage. And here's where a strategy comes in. Because using a tool like this without a monetization angle is just expensive experimentation. The most obvious application is affiliate marketing. You're already creating niche content around tools and workflows. You add the link. Even a small focused audience generates consistent income because the content is specific and the intent is high. Then there's the brand deal angle. Once you're positioned in a niche, AI tools, performance marketing, content production, brands aren't looking at your subscriber count. They're looking at relevance. A 5,000-person audience that cares specifically about AI advertising is more valuable to the right brand than 100,000 general viewers. The third angle is digital products. If you understand the system, how to build AI ad workflows, how to structure UGC at scale, how to position content for conversion, you can sell that knowledge. Templates, guides, done for you workflows. The tool becomes the foundation of something you own. And then there's the automation layer, running faceless niche-focused channels that produce ad-style content at scale. That's not a future concept. People are doing that right now. The infrastructure for it exists. But here's the part I want to be honest about. None of this works automatically. The tool doesn't fix a bad strategy. If you don't have a clear niche, a clear audience, and a clear content angle, the speed just means you produce bad content faster. AI amplifies what you already understand. It doesn't replace understanding. What it does do is remove the execution gap for people who already know what they're building. And that matters right now, specifically. Because we're still early in this shift. Most people using AI are experimenting. Very few are actually systemizing. The ones building structured workflows around these tools, testing, iterating, compounding, they're the ones who will be hard to compete with in 2 years. That window is real. But it won't stay this open for long. So the question isn't whether Maxfusion is worth exploring. The real question is whether you're approaching this phase like someone who's building something or just someone who's watching. If you're building, comment build below. I want to know who's actually in the game.